Mastering in, for years, an essential English preposition. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're delving into the intriguing world of prepositions, specifically focusing on how to use in, for years. This simple, yet powerful, preposition can really enhance your language skills, especially when you're dealing with expressions of time. Let's get started. Before we start discussing how to use in, for years, it's essential to understand what a preposition is. Prepositions are words used to express a relation between two or more words or phrases in the sentence. They often tell us about location, direction, time, and manner. The preposition in is one of the most common prepositions in English. It is often used to indicate where something is, location, when something happens, time, or the way something is done, manner. When it comes to expressing time, in is incredibly versatile. It can be used with different time units, such as minutes, hours, days, months, seasons, years, and centuries. Today, we're focusing on its usage with years. The preposition in is used to indicate that something will happen during a certain year. For instance, you might say, I graduated from university in 2020. Now that we understand the basic concept, let's dive into some more examples. I was born in 1990. The company was founded in 2005. She moved to New York in 2018. Note that the preposition in should be used even when you're referring to a certain decade, century, or millennium. My grandparents were born in the 1920s. The Renaissance occurred in the 16th century. We're living in the 21st century. It's crucial to avoid a common mistake learners often make. Don't use on or at when referring to years. For instance, it's incorrect to say, I was born on 1990, or she moved to New York at 2018. Always remember to use in when referring to a specific year. That's all for today's lesson, folks. We hope this video has helped clarify how to correctly use the preposition in for years. Remember, practice is key when mastering English prepositions. So, try to use in your daily English conversations, particularly when you're referring to years. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more grammar fundamentals coming your way in the next videos. Keep practicing, and see you soon.